everyone. As you already know, my name is Filip, and this video is going to be a little bit different than usually. Today I will talk about xWIN Finance version 2, new functions and new features to get to know the new functions. So let's start. I will start with Robo-Advisor. So the objective is to allow individual investors or fund managers to create their own decentralized fund based on various market factors or personal risk parameters. Investors are able to create the optimal portfolio through mean variance optimization or weighted average Sharpe ratio. Basically, this is just a description of this Robo-Advisor feature, and now we'll see on web how it looks like in actual use. So we'll go here. This is xWIN Finance platform. You can click on Robo-Advisor here, and then you will need to connect your wallet. For example, it accepts Wallet Connect, Torus, Fortmatic, Authentium, Bitski. I believe it accepts MetaMask as well, but it didn't offer it here. So basically, when we go to the Robo-Advisor, this is the feature of like a little help for users in which assets they should invest based on their allocation approach. So they can choose between weighted average SR and mean variance optimization. We'll select this time weighted average SR. Here you can edit how much assets you want to invest in. For example, 2. Risk tolerance. Here you can adjust how much tolerance do you have, how much flexible in accepting minus and plus in your investment. So for example, if we put 70, and you can also select your age. Mine is 28, for example. And then we can click run. Okay, so let's see what it will give us. Wait a little bit longer. Here it is. So basically, this Robo-Advisor suggests us to invest in 2 assets, like we said, xUSDT-V and TWT, basically around 50% in each. And then you can, if you are connected with your wallet, you can invest in these assets. So basically you can change these parameters how do you want. You can make 4 assets, for example, risk tolerance 100 and maybe 45 years. So now let's see what happens now. So it should be 4 assets now. It's still offering 2 assets, around 39% of TWT token and xUSDT-V 60, almost 61% of this one. So a little bit higher risk tolerance and a little bit higher age than the previous example. So now let's go back to presentation. This was about the Robo-Advisor, and we have also investing strategies on xWIN Finance Platform version 2. So 4 strategies available on version 2 are interest rate trading, dollar cost average, stablecoin alpha, and single asset. Now we will say more details about each of these strategies. First one will be interest rate trading, IRT. So basically this strategy is a better alternative to the buy and hold strategy. So if you invest in this, it's better than just buying and holding your assets in wallet. It also aims to create a positive return during a short to mid-term on capital gains. During good times, a high deposit rate indicates that the market is over-leveraged and maybe a good time to sell. On the other hand, during downturns, low deposit rate may signal an undervalued market and maybe a good time to buy. So basically, these two are saying how this interest rate trading world works. So if the market is bullish, if the prices are going up, it indicates that the market is over leveraged and maybe a good time to sell. And during the downturns, the price is going down. Low deposit rate might signal an undervalued market and a good time to buy. So we'll also see now on xWIN Finance platform how it looks. It's this one. So you go to public vaults and click token index vault. Here it is. We have two options, Japan Index Vault and xWIN DeFi Index. So we can also click on one of them. For example, Japan Index Vault. We can see its performance here, the previous 1 month or 1 year, 24 hours. So, okay. Here you can see Japan Crypto Index is a market cap weighted crypto asset index allocating its exposure to major crypto assets based on the quantitative methodology, focusing on the transparency, liquidity, and safe custody. Japan Crypto Index is designed for the investment in the following cryptocurrencies. So BTC, ETH, XRP, and ADA. This strategy is quite suitable for investors. Basically, this is saying if you have high risk appetite, seeking for gaining main exposures in cryptocurrencies and seeking to gain exposure without holding many tokens, this strategy is good for you. So high risk appetite, high risk. You want to gain exposure in big assets in crypto and seeking to gain exposure in a few allocations only, not 10, 20 or 30 assets, just a few. This strategy is good for you. So let's repeat. This strategy is better than buying and holding assets. You get a positive return during a short to mid-term on capital gains. When market is going up, it's good time to sell, and when market is going down, it's good time to buy. Now let's go to the second strategy. It is dollar cost average, DCA, popularly said. This strategy is aiming at long-term growth with little to no work on when to invest. So if you want to make a long-term investment with little time to spend on it, it is good. It is focused on spreading your purchase into smaller pieces over a longer period. So it splits your purchases in smaller pieces over a longer period. So this is allowing us to level the price because of avoiding buying assets at once. So this means it's better, it should be better on average than just buying the assets at once, because we get average price of buying of each time buying. It also outperforms the buy and hold strategy. So let's take a look at the xWIN Finance platform. So this is auto trading vault, dollar cost average. We have three options: BTC dollar cost average, interest rate trading, BBMA trading. We can select dollar cost average. Here we can see all the details about this strategy. It is about buying the Bitcoin over a period of time. The strategy will buy each day at the same time to get the average price of the assets. This is continued for months to even years, depending on the principal amount. This way, we are never buying all the assets at once in order to avoid buying at a high price. As Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are volatile, the dollar cost average allows us to level the price and ensure that we do not lose too much, but at the same time do not miss out on the large gains. So if you have high risk appetite, if you are seeking for mid to long-term growth of your capital, if you are seeking to do investments that require little to no work, this strategy is ideal for you. So high risk, little time to spend on it, and long term, this strategy should be good for you. So dollar cost average. Here you can also have some facts and questions about this vault, Bitcoin dollar cost average vault, and others. Now let's go back to the presentation. The third strategy is stablecoin alpha, SCA. So whether you are in a bull or bear market, SCA has the potential to outperform staking and helps grow your wealth over time with minimal risk. So no matter is it bull run or bear market, this strategy will outperform staking and grow your wealth over time. It also helps increase your wealth while preserving your capital, while preserving your principal amount. So your initial investment is protected. Other than that, USDT, you deposit USDTs, interest rate range from 30 to 2% each day. Daily earned interest is used to buy assets like BTC. So basically, you invest a USDT, which is a stable coin. You have your initial amount invested protected. You have interest rate on your deposit, and this interest is used to buy assets like Bitcoin. Let's see about this strategy on the xWIN Finance platform as well. So this is only one, a USDT stablecoin alpha. Here you can have more info about it. This strategy ensures that the principal amount is not lost, like I said. It is an alternative strategy to just taking USDT. Therefore, all the assets, in this case, Bitcoin, are bought through interest rate made by stablecoin. It aims to create a positive return through the capital gains from the asset bought using the interest rate. So basically, you, like I said, it's the summary. You deposit USDT, you have your initial amount invested protected. You earn interest on your deposit, and with this interest, you buy Bitcoin, and this way you grow your wealth over time. This is a good strategy for you if you have high risk appetite. If you are seeking for mid to long-term capital growth, if you are seeking to do investments that require little to no work, and if you are seeking to go into the market through a safer option, stablecoin alpha is the perfect strategy for you. Now let's go to the final strategy. On xWIN Finance platform, it is called single asset SA. This strategy allows you to stake single asset token, for example, Bitcoin, ADA, Cardano, and USDT. So basically you have Bitcoin and you stake Bitcoin. Interest rate varies with the market ranging from 1 to 30%. You have 1 to 30% of interest rate. As these stakings have no locking period, they can be withdrawn at any time when the investors chooses to. This is also good because you can withdraw your assets at any time you want, and you have no locking period, which is very important. And even in a bad market, you continue to accumulate without spending. If you believe in Bitcoin, you just take it. You get interest from 1 to 30%. No locking period, meaning you can withdraw at any time. And even in a bad market, if you believe in Bitcoin, you will get more Bitcoin. And now just take a look on xWIN Finance platform about this vault. Let's take BTC staking. Here you can see all I have already told you. If you have low risk appetite, so if you don't like high risk, this is good for you. If you are seeking to earn more tokens without losing the capital, and if you are seeking to do more competitive supply rates, this is the strategy for you. So just stake your Bitcoin and earn more of Bitcoin even in bad times. So basically, this is the last strategy on xWIN Finance platform. I hope you are satisfied with this presentation from my side. You are enjoying. You are maybe some learning about these strategies. I hope you can go to xWIN Finance platform, connect your wallet, and research about other strategies and other options available on xWIN Finance platform, which I will talk in the future. Other than that, we have some price movement from 36 cents previous week to 35 cents this week. It is 3% down in comparison to the previous week. Twitter Spaces number 99 are organized the last Saturday. The next Twitter Spaces will be number 100. So if you are interested in DeFi, future of DeFi, please join. If you speak English or Japanese, no matter. They also speak those two languages. And also because it is number 100, I suggest you to go to the Twitter Spaces because I don't know, it's like a round number and it could be some surprises. I don't know anything, but it could pay off for you. Other than that, xWIN team had a meeting with DeFi insurance project. xWIN will do everything to clear the requirements for this insurance. Insurance is very important, especially in crypto space. Stablecoin can depeg, especially some algorithmic like Luna and UST. So if you want to be safe, it's not a bad idea to invest in a DeFi insurance project. And currently, xWIN team is having some meetings with those DeFi insurance projects to protect their own investors. And yeah, this video was a little bit different because usually I talk about the recent activities in the last week, like a weekly update, and this was a little bit different, but I hope you enjoyed it. This is it for this time, and bye.